I have a big important meeting this Thursday and I've deleted it. So what do? Well, just like Gmail, your calendar also has a bin or trash folder which keeps deleted events in there for 30 days. To access the folder, you simply click on the cog or the gear icon in this top right corner here. This brings up the settings menu and you'll see that the bin or the trash is the second option here. Click on it and it opens up the folder. So if you've got multiple calendars set up, then they'll be listed down here on the left hand side. So make sure that you're in whichever calendar the event has been deleted from. A list of deleted events for that particular calendar will appear here in the middle. So you can see this is the big important meeting that I've accidentally deleted yesterday. If you just want to restore the one event, then you can click on this back arrow to the right of the event name, and that will restore it back into your calendar at the correct date and time. If you've got multiple events listed that you want to restore, then you simply click on the checkbox to the left of each of the events that you want to restore, and then click on the back arrow in the top right here to restore all of the selected events. You've also got the option of permanently deleting the events here, or you can click on the trash can here as well to delete individual events. And just like Gmail, you can also empty the bin all at once by clicking empty bin here in the top right corner, and that will permanently delete all of the deleted events in that particular calendar. So I'm just going to go ahead and restore this event, and now you can see there's no more deleted events in this particular calendar. Once you've restored the event and you've finished, then click on this back arrow here in the top left corner, and that will take you back to your calendar. And you can see this big important meeting is now back at the correct date and time in my calendar, and job done. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful, and check out this video for other Google Calendar settings that you might not be aware of. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.